Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to check your YouTube search history from a specific date. To start, fully close the YouTube app on your device. After that, open Chrome or any browser you prefer. Now go to google.com and make sure you are logged into the Google account that you use with YouTube. Once you are signed in, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select the option to manage your Google account. This will open a new page with account settings. On this page, scroll down until you find the section called Data and Privacy, then tap on it. Next, scroll down until you see YouTube History and open it. On the YouTube History page, look for the option that says Manage History and tap on that. You will now see your activity timeline. Tap on the small calendar or date filter icon. Choose the exact date you want to check, then confirm your selection. After applying the date filter, your YouTube search history from that specific day will be displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching.